Hi, you're with Chandeep at Goodly once again, and in this video, I've got you another interesting Power Query challenge. Now, it's been a while that we have done any sort of DAX or Power Query challenges. I thought it'll be a good idea to post a new challenge on Power Query. Although it's a simple one, but why don't you actually take a look? Alright, I'm in an Excel file that contains some data. Extremely simple. We just have one columnar data set which contains a few names here. And you have to extract the first name and the last name from this particular list. Let me explain. So take a look at the first name here. We have Ricardo VM Hooper. I want you to get rid of the middle initials and extract the first name and the last name. There could also be times when the name doesn't have any middle initial. Take a look at my name, for instance. My first name is Chandeep, my last name is Chabra, and I don't have any middle initials mentioned here. And you just write the name as it is. Take a look at Rene. We have a middle initial as T, and you have to extract the first name and the last name. So a particular name can have no middle initial. It can have one or more middle initials. Sometimes it may so also happen that the name can have a full middle name instead of an initial. Take a look at this guy. Freda has got a middle name as Steve, and I just want you to extract the first name and the last name and just write it over here. So that's what the exercise is. We have names which can have one or more middle initials or the full name inside of it, and you just have to extract the first name and the last name using Power Query only. Alright, that was the challenge. Pretty simple one, of course. You can download this particular Excel file to get the data underneath the video description, and you can of course post your answers in the comment section. Do post your M code and the snapshot of the results that you get from Power Query. And just like the way that we always do, I'm going to give a big shout out to the people who post the right answers before I produce the next video on Tuesday to discuss the right answers with you. Alright, that was all about this Power Query challenge. Do download the data, post your answers, and I'm looking forward to it. And I will see you once again when I discuss the answers. Thanks so much for watching this, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Cheers. Bye.